Today we'll be going through IGCSE Mathematics Paper 2 Extended 058022 October November 2016. Question number 1. Write this number correct to the nearest thousand. So thousandth position is 4, so we'll have to round this. 8 is more than 5, so we will write 15000, so it will be 15,000 will be our answer. B part, write your answer to part A in standard form. So in standard form we need decimal after first non-zero number, so 1.5 into 10 raised to the power 1 2 3 4, so it will be 10 raised to the power 4. So it will be 1.5 into 10 raised to the power 4, our answer. Question number 2, diagram is not to scale. Find the value of A. This angle we have to find, and we know this side is for example, this line is parallel to this line, so this angle is alternate to this angle. If this is 67, this will also be 67, and we can say if this is 67, so this will be 180 minus 67. So 180 minus 67 will be equal to 113. So this angle is 113 degrees. So in this triangle, one angle is 113, this is 42, so this will be 180 minus 113 plus 42, and this will be equal to 180 minus 113 plus 42, and this will be equal to 25 degrees. So A is equal to 25 degrees. This is done. Now question number 3, solve the equation, and this equation we will write k minus 8 is equal to 78 over 6. We will shift 6 to other side, and this will be 78 divided by 6 will be equal to 13. So this is equal to 13, and further we can shift 8 also to other side. So k is equal to 13 plus 8, which is equal to 21. So our final answer will be 21 to this question number 3. Now question number 4, this is basically trapezium provided, and which is not to scale, and we have to find the area of the trapezium, and area of trapezium is equal to 1 by 2 into A plus B into H. A plus B are the parallel sides, so we will write 1 by 2 into 13 plus 16 into H, which is perpendicular height, which is 4 in this case, and this will be equal to 1 by 2 means 0.5 into 13 plus 16 and multiply by 4, and this will be basically multiplication here, so this will be equal to 58, and this will be 58 centimeters square, so we'll write here 58. This is done. Now question number 5, this is to simplify this basically this 36y5 over 4y squared, and 4 can be cancelled, and 9 and y square will be cancelled with this 5, and we will get 3 here, and this will be 9y cube will be our answer for this one, and 9y cube we will write here. Question number 6, the sides of a square are 8 centimeter. Correct to the nearest centimeter. Calculate the upper bound for the area. So upper bound of A, upper bound of 8 centimeter will be equal to 8.5 centimeter. Correct to the nearest centimeter. So 8.5, so area will be equal to 8.5 into 8.5, and this will be equal to 8.5 multiplied by 8.5 will be equal to 72.25 centimeters square. So 72.25 will be our answer. That will be the upper bound. Find the positive integers that satisfy the inequality, this one. So we will shift t to the other side, and 2 is here, so 3t minus t, and this minus 6 we can shift to this side, so this will be 6 plus 2, and so we can write this one as 2t, and this will be 8, so divide by 2, and this will be equal to 4. So t is less than 4. We need the positive integers, so values will be 1, 2, 3. 4 will not be included because this is not equal to, only less than. Solve the simultaneous equation. This is question number 8. You must show all your working, and this is what they have provided. So to equalize denominator, basically what we can do, we can eliminate by multiplying first equation by 2. So this equation will be multiplied by 2, and we will get x plus 2y is equal to 16, and second equation will be x minus 2y is equal to 2. And now this will be subtracted, subtracting. So after subtraction the signs will be changed, so this will be cancelled, and this will be 4y is equal to 16 minus 2 will be 14, and this one will be, so this implies y is equal to 14 over 4, which is equal to 14 divided by 4 will be equal to 3.5. so y value will be 3.5. Now to find value of x, we will replace in second equation. We can replace in any of these two equations. So I'm replacing in second equation. 2 into 3.5 is equal to 2. So x minus 7 is equal to 2. So x is equal to 2 plus 7, which is equal to 9. So x is equal to 9, this value. So x is equal to 9 will be our final answer. Now question number 9. From the top of a building 300 meters high, this is 300 meters, and the angle of depression of a car C is 52 degrees. So this angle is basically 50. Basically angle of depression is basically this one. So what we can do, we can angle of depression will be this one. Basically this will be 52 degrees, so it means this is 52 degrees. And calculate the horizontal distance from the car on the base of the building. So this distance we have to find this side. If this is, for example, A, B, C, so AC is required. So this will be, we can write this over, this will be tan. So we can write basically tan of 52 degrees. Tan of 52 degrees will be equal to 300 over AC. So AC will be equal to 300 divided by tan of 52 degrees. This will be calculated as 300 divided by tan of 52 degrees, and this will be equal to 234.38. 234.38, and we can write it as 234.4 meters. Question number 10. The length of a backpack of capacity 30 liters is 53. So length of that bag with capacity of 30 liters is 53. Calculate the length of mathematically similar backpack of capacity 20 liters. So capacity is what? 30 liters and 20 liters. So K capacity means volume. So volume will be K cube. So K cube is equal to this one, which is 3 by 2. And we can, for the length we will be taking K. So K will be equal to cube root of this one. So cube root of this. Now this will be, length will be multiplied. This is 53 and this is capacity is smaller. So this one we can write this as cube root of 3 over 2, and this is equal to 1.14, 1.145 or 447. I'm rounding it to 1.445. Now this will be calculate the mathematically similar backpack of capacity this. So capacity is lesser, so length will also be reducing. So we'll divide this. So length will be equal to 53 divided by 1.145. I will use this whole calculation, this one whole number, this one 53 divided by answer will be equal to 46.299. So 46.299, or we can round it to 46.3. This will be centimeters in length. Hopefully you understood this question as well. Now question number 7 is construction question. Using compasses and straight edge, only construct the bisector of the angle BAC. So BAC, we have to construct the angle bisector. So to draw angle bisector, we can rotate the page according to our convenience. So we will be rotating this page and putting the compass over A, and we can draw an arc like this one, and after that we will be opening compass more and we'll be putting over here and over here. So we'll make the positioning and then make an arc over here, and the same length we can make another arc, and this is the point of intersection. Now we can use the straight edge to draw the line. For example, this one we can draw. This will be our angle bisector. So angle bisector is drawn. The bisector, complete the statement. The bisector of angle BAC is the locus of the points that are equidistant from AB and AC. So equidistant from AC and AB. So AC and AB, these points are equidistant from these. So question number 12, Rafael and Susie share this much amount in ratio of this. Calculate the amount of Rafael. So first one is Rafael, which is getting 2. Sum of ratios. So sum of ratios is equal to 2 plus 1, which is equal to 3. So Rafael Ralef share, basically this is Ralef receives will be 3 over basically 2 by 3, 2 by 3 of 57. So we can write it properly so that there should be no confusion. So we write 2 by 3 of this one. So 2 by 3 of 57 will be 2 divided by 3 of 57 will be equal to 38. So answer will be $38. Now Ralef gives $2 to Susie. Calculate the new ratio. Ralef's money will be 36 and $2 to Susie. Remaining are what? Out of 57 will be 57 minus 38 is what? 19. So now its money will be 21, and we have to divide this by 3. So 3 12s are and 3 7s are 21. So new ratio will be 12:7. This is how we can check the new ratio. Now factorization, question number 13. This is saying m cube plus m. So we can take m common. Inside will be m square plus 1. So m into m square plus 1. This will be factorization. Then by this we can write 5 square minus y square, and this will be equal to 5 plus y into 5 minus y. So 5 plus y and 5 minus y. This will be our answer. Formula will be a square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. Now this one, factorization of this, we can use the calculator. Mode 5 3, and coefficient of x square is 1, coefficient of x is 3, and coefficient of basically constant is minus 28. So after typing this one, 4 and minus 7, so x minus 4 and x plus 7 will be our answer. So we can write x minus 4 and x plus 7. So this will be x square minus 4x and plus 7x and 28. And if you want a step to write here, so we can write a step, because this is 2-mark question, so we should write a step over here. So we can write x, this one, x, multiply by, so remove this bracket, this x, and multiply by x plus 7, and minus this 4 into x plus 7, and that's all. After this step you can write this answer and you will get 2 marks. Without using your calculator, work out this one. So we will be equalizing the denominators. 3 over 4 plus 2 over 3 minus 1 over 8. So we will multiply everything to get 24 as denominator. So this will be multiplied by 6, this will be multiplied by 8, and this will be multiplied by 3. So we will get 18 over 24, plus this will be 16 over 24, minus this will be 3 over 24. 18 plus 16 will be what? Will be 34. So this will be 34 over 24. 20 and 30 and 34. Okay, so and this will be minus 3 over 24. So answer will be 34 minus 3 will be 31 over 24. Or we can divide, like for example, this is 31, this is 24, so 1s are 24, this will be 7, so 1 whole 7 by, we can turn this, so 1 whole 7 by 24. 1 whole 7 over 24 will be our final answer to this question. Hopefully you understood this 14th question as well. Now question number 15, this is basically a Venn diagram question. The Venn diagram shows the number of people who like films, music, and reading. Find n of m. M is this one, right? So 4 plus 2, 6 plus 3, it will be 9. And n of r union m. R is this one, union m, so we'll add this 9 plus 1, 10 plus 2 will be 12. So this will be 12. A person is chosen at random from the people who like films. So out of these, a person is chosen at random. Write down the probability that this person also likes music. So also like music is 5. So 5 out of 6 and 6, 14. So this will be 5 out of 14. So 5 out of 14. So what we have done, we have taken this total, which is 14 as denominator, and this 5 because they are liking music also. So 5 out of 14. On the Venn diagram, shade F union R. So F is this one and union R. So this and this intersection with M complement. So not in M. Not in M will be this. So we will exclude this one and shade only this much portion. We will shade from this one and up to this one will be our required shading part, which we have done. Hopefully you are getting everything, and don't forget to subscribe Maths TV and recommend this channel to your friends and class fellows. Also introduce this channel to your respected teachers as well. Okay, so this is shading part done, which is C part, and question number 16 is basically matrices. BC is given, AB is given, so we have to find CA. CA will be what? CA will be this minus this, so minus 5, minus 2, and 6 minus 3. So this will be CA, which is equal to minus 7 and 3. So A will be first and the second one we will take first. So this will be minus 5 and C will be second. So minus 5 minus 2. This is how we have done. So our answer will be minus 7 and 3. Work out mod of BA. BA is this one. So minus 5 square. Basically we'll have to write in brackets. Minus 5 square plus 6 square under root. This will be mod. So we will calculate this mod. This will be root of mod 1. So root of minus 5 squared and plus 6 squared, and this will be equal to 7.81. So 7.81 will be our final answer to question number 16. Now this is question number 17. The diagram is provided which is not to scale. The diagram shows the cross section of part of a park bench. It is made from a rectangle of length 32. This portion is rectangle of length 32 and width of 8. So 8 into 32 and a curved section. So this is curved section. The curved section is made from two concentric arcs with sector angle 125. One arc is this one and second arc is this one, and the inner arc has radius of 40. This is inner arc which is having radius 40, and the outer arc is has radius of 48. So this is the radius. Then calculate the area of the cross section. Correct to the nearest square centimeter. So correct to the nearest centimeter answer we have to provide. Area of the cross section basically we have to provide. So this is 8 multiplied by 32. So area of rectangle will be equal to 8 multiplied by 32. This will be equal to what? This will be 8 into 32 is equal to 256. So 256, this will be area of rectangle. This will be rectangle area, centimeter square, and then we have to find the area of basically outer sector, which is area of sector we know is equal to theta over 360 into pi r squared, this one. So this will be for bigger sector, so we can write here B. So area of big sector, okay, I will write big. So this will be equal to 125 over 360 into pi, and r square means 48 square. So 48 square, and this one will be equal to what? We can calculate this. This will be 125 over 360 into pi. This one is pi, and into 48 and squared, and this will be equal to 800 pi. So I will write here 800 pi, and then area of small basically sector will be equal to theta over, I will move the page a little above like this one. So theta over 360 into pi r squared again. So it will be 125 over 360 into pi, and now radius will be 40. So 40 squared is equal to, in the same one we just replace, instead of 48 we will replace 40, and this will be equal to 5000 over 9, 5000 over 9 pi. Now the shade, this region, strip region, this one will be what? Bigger arc minus smaller arc. So bigger arc will be, so area of the shape we can write complete area. Area will be equal to 256 plus this one 800 pi minus this one 5000 over 9 pi, and we can put brackets. So this area plus this area will be our area for this one. So we can write 256 plus, in brackets we can write 800 and pi, and minus this will be 5000 over 9, and this will be pi, and this will be closed, and this is equal to 1023.94. 1023.94. So nearest square centimeters, so we will round this one to 1024. This will be our answer. So we can write approximately 1024 centimeter square. This will be our final answer to this question. Now question number 18. Describe fully the single transformation that maps triangle A onto triangle B. A is this one, B is this one. So we have to describe the transformation, and we can check A onto B. So what we will do, we can check, we can draw this. Basically we can draw the lines like this one from here, and from here as well we can draw a line from here, and the third line also we can draw from this point. We can see that it is matching over here. So this is the center of, this is basically enlargement from A, triangle A to onto triangle B. So enlargement by scale factor, this is 1 unit, this is 2 units. So enlargement by scale factor will be 1/2, and center of enlargement will be -1 and 3. -1 and 3 is center of enlargement. This information we can provide over the proper place which is provided for this one. So we can write here answer as enlargement, and enlargement by scale factor. So scale factor is equal to 1/2, and center will be equal to -1 and 3. So this will be center. Draw the image of triangle A after the transformation represented by this one. We have to draw the image of this. This will be basically reflection along x-axis. So for A, what we can do to draw this one, we can take reflection from here. So this is 1 unit, so this will be this point. From here also 1 unit, so this will be with this one. So from here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 units. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 units. So this will be the point. And now we can draw the triangle like this one over here, and we can join these points. We will get this one. So this will be image of A after transformation represented by this. So this will be our answer to this part. This will be reflection of this. Now question number 19, find the inverse of this. Basically we have to find the inverse of this matrix. Inverse of A, for example, A inverse will be equal to adjoint of A over A mod. So adjoint of A will be changing position of this one, so -4 and 2, and changing sign of this, so -5 and 3, and this will be adjoint of A over A mod will be this multiplied by this. This will be -8, and minus this into this will be minus 15. So -15 will be this one. So this is equal to +7. So 1 over 7 into -4 and 3 and -5 and 2. This will be our final answer. We can copy over here. So -5 and 2, this will be answer. The matrix, this one does not have inverse. So it means that its mod is equal to 0. So this into this will be W into W minus 12, and minus this into this will be minus 9 into 4 is equal to 0. So this implies W square minus 12W, and this will be minus 36. So this will be plus 36 after multiplication with this is equal to 0. This is the quadratic equation which we can solve. Mode 5 3. So coefficient of W square is 1. and coefficient of w is minus 12 and constant is 36. So this is equal to 6 and 1. So we can make factors w square and minus basically 6 and w, and we can write here 6 and 1. So this one will be 6 and 6, basically 6 and 6. So 6w minus 6w and plus 36 is equal to 0. So we can join this one, this w we can take common, w minus 6 and minus 6 we can take common. So w minus 6 is equal to 0. So w minus 6 and w minus 6 is equal to 0. So w is equal to 6 and w is equal to 6. So 6 will be our final answer to this question. Now question number 20 is this grid is provided and we have to point A has coordinates of 3 and 6. So this is 3 and 6, and write on the coordinates of B. So B is 7 and 1, 7 and 1, so 7 and 1. Find the gradient of AB. So we'll join AB first. AB, so we'll draw the line like this and we will make a triangle to find the gradient, and this will be the triangle which we can draw. After drawing this triangle, this is the triangle which we are considering, and after drawing this triangle we can take rise is 1 2 3 4 5 units, this side is 5, and 1 2 3 4 units. So rise over run, so gradient will be m is equal to 5 over 4 and 5 over 4, or we can write, basically this is right side is down, so it will be minus 5 over 4. So we can write this one as 5 divided by 4 means so 1.5, so minus 1.25 will be our answer for this one. Minus 1.25 will be the gradient. Now C part, they are saying find the equation of line that is perpendicular to line AB. So line AB is this one, for which gradient is this. So for the line which is perpendicular to this will be having, so M perpendicular will be equal to reciprocal and change sign, so it will be 4 by 5 will be the gradient, and the point is 0 and 5. So we can write directly formula y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. So gradient is 4 by 5 and x minus x1 is 0 and y minus y1 is 2. So this will be our equation, and we can open this one. So this will be y minus 2 is equal to 4 over 5x, and now we can just shift 2 to other side. So y is equal to 4 over 5x plus 2. This will be our final equation which we have found. We are done with the paper. Hopefully you understood each and everything. And don't forget to subscribe Maths TV and press bell icon so that you will be getting notification for incoming videos as well. And recommend this channel to your respected teachers. Also introduce this channel to your friends and class fellows. Thank you very much for watching. Take care. Bye.